If you like naval aviation as much as I do, then the new Hawkeye kit from Hella might be a pleasant surprise. I couldn't resist, and now let's see what we can expect from this new tool. The box is beautifully designed and comes with all necessary information. On the back you will find some general information about the original aircraft. In addition, you can see the decals for the marking option included. The required colors are also listed here. The color specifications are limited to those from Hella and Revell. Hella now shows the year the kit was created on its packaging. For older kits it also shows the date the kit was last updated, what might be helpful when making a buying decision. Let's open the box. Hella is now using recycled plastic for their kits. They also try to eliminate plastic bags as much as possible, which is a good approach. The box opens upwards and we are greeted by the instructions and some advertising. The door sign is a funny idea. I will use it. Only the clear parts are packaged in a bag. All other sprues are wrapped in paper. One propeller plate had come loose in my box, but all other parts were complete. Let's now go through the individual sprues and I will show the fine details. I have to say, I was very surprised by the quality. The light grey plastic looks very good. You can immediately see that the kit comes from new molds. The panel lines are very sharp and even the smallest rivets are visible. The layout of the parts reminds me a lot of the 1/48 scale Kinetic kit, which I built some time ago. However, the details are presented much finer here. Sprue B contains the wings, flaps and other fuselage parts. Here too, sharp panel lines alternate with fine rivet structures. The flaps can be shown extended and retracted. The wings can be built in flight position or folded at the sides, saving some shelf space. We continue with Sprue C, which contains the radar dish as well as small parts from the cockpit and landing gear. The radar dish halves have slightly visible ghost lines. Cockpit details impress with fine detailing. The mechanics of the folding wings are also very well represented. You get Sprue D twice. The wheels are available in a rated and a round version. You can also choose between 4-plate and 8-plate propellers. The clear parts also look quite good. Unlike the Kinetic kit, all windows are shown individually. The decal sheet is from Fightertown Decals and includes one marking option. The color and print quality is very good. How good they really are we will see when building the model. Keep in mind, there's no decal for the instrument panel. I really like the assembly instructions. This is how a modern instruction should look like. All the steps are clearly and logically presented. The color representation of the parts also helps. Unfortunately, the color specifications are limited to Revell and Heller colors. If there are options, such as with the wings and flaps, they are clearly explained. Overall, the instructions are easy to follow and there shouldn't be any problems assembling the kit. The kit is currently available for around €45. That's not cheap, but a fair price for a new tool kit that doesn't come from China. Aftermarket products like Eduard's PE or Space sets are already available. Whether these are necessary is up to you to decide. For me, the details and the quality of the plastic are very appealing. It's nice that the manufacturer has dared to produce a current Hawkeye in 1/72 scale. The 1/48 scale Kinetic Hawkeye is impressive, but not everyone has the space for it. The kit design is very similar to the Kinetic kit, but you get more and sharper details in a smaller scale. It would have been nice if they had released the E-2D with a decal variant that we haven't seen yet, but perhaps more will follow. If this review could help you to get a first impression of the kit, I would be happy about a like. Let me know in the comments what you think of the kit and Heller's new approach. Until next time, goodbye.